Start by going to the library homepage and click on the Indexes and Databases tab. From there, you can click on Advanced Search under the search box. You will be taken to a page that gives you a number of different options for finding databases. The first is the box that has the question Getting Started. Here you will be given an option to see a list of the most popular sources or a list of general sources. You can click on either of these links to see a list of the databases that are used most often, listed in alphabetical order, or to review general databases that are often interdisciplinary, also listed in alphabetical order. Another option for browsing databases is on the right-hand side of the screen, under the box titled Subject Browse. Here you will see an alphabetical list of subjects taught at UBC, and in brackets beside each area, there's a number of how many databases have been tagged as being relevant to that subject area. If we look at Canadian Studies, for example, we can see that there are 39 databases relevant to Canadian Studies. If we click on Canadian Studies, we get a list of all the databases that have been tagged as relevant databases for Canadian Studies. Note that some of these databases are open to everyone, and some of them are for UBC only, and will require you to log in with your CWL. If you click on any one of these database titles, you will then enter into the specific database. For example, this is the Canadian Newsstream database, and this is the home page. You can see at the top left, this database is provided by a company called ProQuest, and the Canadian Newsstream collection title is also at the top of the screen. Other options for finding a database are searching for it by a subject or by name if you already know the database you want to search. Now that we're back at the library home screen, we can click on the Indexes and Databases tab again. We can see that it has a single search bar and the word keyword is grayed out. Because we have selected the Indexes and Databases tab, rather than putting our keywords here for our research topic, we can search for the specific name of a database instead, or put in a broad subject area such as psychology. This search for psychology finds databases that have been tagged as relevant for psychology. If you are looking for a database that you already know the name of, you can also search for it from the Indexes and Databases tab. For example, if I know I want to search in the database Canadian Business and Current Affairs, which has the acronym CBCA, I can type that title or keywords from that title into the main search bar. This search will take me to a link for the Canadian Business and Current Affairs database. The most important thing to remember with searching on the Indexes and Databases tab is that it is a portal of a list of databases. So you are searching for the name of a database. You are not searching in the database itself. Thanks very much for watching.